Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous. आपके face से दिख रहा है मुझे वो. Okay, Raghav. So while preparing your resume, I think आपने कहीं से copy paste किया है काफी कुछ
Format.
format, हाँ. You wrote you might want to include your GPA here and a brief summary of relevant coursework. So what is this?
No, ma'am. It's nothing like this.
Nothing like this. This
It is
is
written over there.
here. It is written over there. You forgot to edit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Not an issue. Okay. In your experience, you have written marketing and joiner manager at Prakash Sales Corporation. Will you please
Yeah.
tell me your experience at this place and what is this joiner manager? I didn't understand.
Actually, that was junior manager. That spelling mistake was there, and after sending, I got that mistake.
Okay.
So it is my shop only. It is my father's shop, and this last month, I have gone there to start some business activities to involve in business. So I've started that 1 month and 15 days more.
What kind of work you do there?
So, ma'am, to handle the customer and to tell them about the things we sell, as our pipe fitting business is there, so the most of the people don't know what to do, what is the thing, what is the cheating going in the market. So I want to tell that, and sell the things I pipe fitting pipes and their fittings at all. There's some cheating going on in the market, and we are distributors, so I have to handle the shopkeepers also, local shopkeepers, and some of the customer having great demand.
Okay. So, Raghav, you choose the topic GDP, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
You gave the presentation on GDP, that is gross domestic product. Okay, a simple question to you. You have mentioned in your presentation about more policies and programs like MG Narega. So, will you please give me a little gist about MG Narega? What is the full form of MG Narega, and what are the components and what are the things under MG Narega?
Ma'am, MG Narega is the policy or program started by the government, in which what we say mazdoor, but worker is guaranteed for the 100-day employment.
Okay.
And
what is the
full
okay,
form
continue.
is Mahatma Gandhi um, employment, not anything like that. Achha.
Okay, you don't remember.
National Rural Employment Guarantee. Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee.
Act. Okay. That's all. That's all, Vineet sir.
Okay, thank you, Abhilasha ma'am. Now I'd like to ask Saroj ma'am basically to ask the next question over here. Saroj ma'am, hand it over to you, ma'am.
Hi. Hello, Rahul.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. Raghav, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me one thing. Why are you feeling so nervous today?
So, ma'am, this is my first Viva.
Okay. But no need to be like that.
Don't you think, ma'am,
Yeah,
Hello?
having the answer, Saroj ma'am, that it's good that you are having the first Viva at this age of yours. Otherwise, we go to the interview place and then we come to know, oh God, this is Viva. So you'll be like,
Yeah, actually.
yes, ma'am, your question, please, from Raghav.
Okay. Yes, Raghav. Uh, can you define me GDP?
Yes, ma'am. GDP full form is gross domestic product, uh,
Hmm.
and it is a international standard um, to compare the economy of the country or a region. And
Okay.
GDP is a final product value of the final product uh, produced in a country for 1 year.
Okay. Can you give me formula to calculate GDP?
GDP is equals to invest consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus net export.
Okay. Now feeling light now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
सबसे पहली एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, वाइवा के लिए नर्वस होने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। सबसे पहले तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए कि क्या होगा, जो पूछा जाएगा उसका आंसर आपको जो देना है, उसके देने का तरीका आपका ऐसा होना चाहिए कि सामने वाले को, अगर आप कहीं पर कुछ छोड़ रहे हो या कहीं कुछ आपको नहीं पता है या कहीं आपका कॉन्फिडेंस वीक होता नजर आ रहा है, तब भी सामने वाले को दिखाई नहीं देना चाहिए। तो सबसे पहले तो उस चीज पर ही फोकस करना जरूरी है। और लाइफ एंड डेथ का मैटर कभी नहीं होता है ना, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर लर्निंग, सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट। ओके सर।
Thank you so much, ma'am,
That
for
was
your
really,
advice.
that was extremely good advice given to the student over here, that you don't need to bother yourself so much because there's always a second chance there, as the famous proverbs goes. Okay. Now I'd like to ask Nirushiri ma'am to carry on with the Viva, and please ask some question from your side to Raghav.
Good afternoon, Raghav.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
First of all, give me a very good smile. See, your teeth are very good. हाँ, अरे पूरा आज कोलगेट किया हुआ सुबह सुबह। अच्छा ठीक है, एकदम लाइट रखो, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि है ना, जो प्रेजेंटेशन था उसमें यू मेंशन्ड अबाउट पीपीपी, है ना? कैन यू
Yes, ma'am.
एक्सप्लेन मी इन लिटिल डिटेल व्हाट इज इट?
Ma'am,
एक तो टेंशन मत
PPP.
लेना है, एक्चुअली में है ना, मुझे खुद पता नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं तुम्हें पूछ रही हूँ। तो गलत भी हुआ तो कोई टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है। आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग। हाँ, नाउ आंसर।
Ma'am, PPP full form is purchasing power parity, as Vineet sir also told us that per PPP is that how much we have power to purchase, as our per capita income is eight 1,820 dollars, but our PPP is 6,000 some dollars. So we have more purchasing power. We are on the third purchasing power of the world. So purchase it is only the purchasing power we have.
अच्छा, बेसिकली दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि मतलब अपना परचेजिंग पावर कितना होता है, मतलब यू कैन से इन सिंपल टर्म्स कि कितनी कमोडिटीज जो है, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, दैट वी कैन परचेज इन दैट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then somewhere we can compare it with other countries. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you are correct at that. Or just one more question, as you were explaining to Abhilasha ma'am that you have experience of working at your own whatever work or office you have. Thoda sa, can you just give me a brief detailing? I did not understand ki matlab what kind of work were you doing there?
Ma'am, as I have gone there, so my papa has said me that this is the first 15 days. He has just told me that this is the thing we have to sell, this elbow and many other things. So after that I have started handling the customers at the first retailer customers which they come, and after that I have maximum I have 1 lakh rupees customer I have handled full my it was my and
Okay. No, what are the commodity you are talking about?
uh, ma'am, pipe fitting is CPVC pipes are there,
Okay,
SWR pipes and
okay,
elbows.
and like you were telling कि market में क्या I think you said something कि कितना fake available है या ऐसे करके something.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
उसका भी knowledge हो गया है within working for this much span of time idea हो गया चीजों का. You have understood.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ठीक है, good.
Cheating like this going on that ब्रांडेड चीजों के अंदर फेक चीजें मिक्स करने का चल रहा है.
Okay, chalo good. You had experience. You learned something from it, and you have learned a lot from Viva as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Thank
that
you,
is
ma'am.
it from my side, Vineet sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Nirushri ma'am, Saroj ma'am, and Abhilasha ma'am again. And Raghamudi, I have no questions. I was just judging while sitting that what answers you are giving. And thank you that you have remembered what PPP is all about, purchasing power parity. Okay, because that was the question which I asked you on that day, that what it is all about, or I explained it. Basically, purchasing power parity is the value of money. All right, value of money which your country is having. What is the value of that unit of money per unit of money? Okay, chalo, very good, well done. So I have given you my marks over here, and all other three teachers must have given their also. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. Now we're going to move towards the next candidate.